लोकेश जी अभी कैमरा ऑफ कर सकते हैं आप? मैं बोलूंगा आपको ऑन करना। थैंक यू। आवाज आपकी क्लियर आ रही है ना? हेलो।
हाँ
हाँ लोकेश जी आवाज आपकी क्लियर आ रही है ना?
हाँ बराबर है, आवाज तो बराबर है। अभी भी लेक्चर लिया था, कोई इशू नहीं था।
अच्छा ओके ठीक। Hi everyone, Salam Noor. How are you? All good? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, great. So I think few more people are joining, but it's okay. Since you all are here, let us start. So we have today Mr. Lokesh with us. Can you please turn on your camera, Mr. Lokesh?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. So Lokesh teacher will be teaching us mathematics, and we will be covering few important topics in this summer course. So today we'll be starting with equations and inequalities, right? Because this is something which is going to remain with you for a long time. So what I'll do is I will just hand over to Lokesh and he will start off.
Yeah. Okay. Can you see the book here, right? It's a linear equation and inequality, right? So I hope this is the book you follow, right? Hello, all. Salam. Yeah.
Yes.
Can you all see the book? Yeah. Correct. So I'll be doing it from this book, linear equation and inequality, right? Hello. Yeah. Any query? So, hello. Yeah.
Hey.
Yes. So should I start? Right? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So let's start. Okay. So first of all, I suppose all of you must have gone through this. So it's basically revision only. So basically equation, and the equation which we are studying in this chapter are linear equation. Correct? What we are studying here is a linear equation. That is power of x or degree of x. That will be one only. Okay. So that's the thing. Like this kind of equation where degree of x is 1. Degree of x is 1. So basic rules of equation, right? If you think about basic rules of equation, it's like this. So something like this is given, right? X plus 5 is equal to 7. So basically 5 goes that side. It becomes minus, right? So x is equal to 7 minus 5. If x minus 5 equal to 7, minus 5 goes that side. It becomes plus x equal to 7 plus 5, correct? 5x equal to 7, 5 goes that side, correct? So x becomes 7 over 5 division, right? And x over 5 equal to 7. Here 5 goes that side. X becomes 5 times 7. So these are the basic rules which you already know. And we use combination of this rule to solve the given equation, right? So there is one thing. So let's take few of the questions, right? Okay. One more thing, right? This also you should know. When there is a positive sign in front of bracket,
एक
that
मिनट
sounds,
आप
yeah.
आपका स्क्रीन स्टक हो गया पहले पेज पे क्यों?
Just a minute.
अनशेयर करके शेयर कीजिए उसको फिर से।
Yeah, let me do this thing.
अभी भी हमें वो पहला वाला पेज ही
Okay. Just I just pause save and resume share.
हाँ तो बीच बीच में आप पूछते रहो ऐसा है कि मैं दूसरा भी काम
हाँ।
कर रहा हूँ तो मैं रहूंगा।
हाँ, ठीक. So can you see the screen now?
नहीं आपका वही स्क्रीन दिख रहा है।
Just a minute.
यूनिट 3 जहाँ लिखा हुआ है आप इसको कैंसिल करो ना।
हाँ, एक मिनट. Let me just stop share and share it
हाँ
again.
आप फिर से करो।
Can you see this now? I'm writing. Is it clear? Can you see it?
Yes, it's clear.
Okay, fine. Okay. So what I was saying, that first is thing, basic rules of solving equation, right? If positive sign is there, it goes that side, it become negative, right? Negative goes that side, become positive. Multiplication goes that side, comes into division, right? Division goes that side, comes into multiplication, right? And we use combination of this rule, right? Okay. One more thing. If outside bracket is positive sign, we open the bracket, it's same. Outside bracket negative sign, we open the bracket. All the time inside bracket changes sign. Okay, so B was positive, now B become negative. C was positive, C become negative. Okay, it's like this. And there's distributive property, right? We just multiply A into B plus C, so it become AB plus AC. Same way for subtraction. Right? There's the thing. Correct. So we will solve certain questions, some questions, so it will be clear. Okay, so let's do a few of the questions from this. Let me do the say this question, right? I want to solve find value of say variable A. Okay. So what should I do now? What rule should we follow? First, I need to multiply 5 inside this bracket, 3 inside this bracket, 4 inside this bracket. Okay. So first thing is that next step should be I combine all the variable, that is all the A together, and all known numbers, that is numbers on other side. Okay. Okay, we will solve it. Yeah. So let's start. So what happens? 5 2s are 10A, 5 into 2A, plus 5 into 1, 5, plus 3 into 3A, that is 9A. 3 into minus 4, a negative 4 into 3 would be minus 12. Correct? And this is 4 3s are 12A, and this minus 4 into 6, 24. So is this clear to you? Okay. Anyone having any doubt? You can just let me know. Is it clear? Right?
Yes.
Okay. Now we combine all that together. Right? So what are different A's? So A is here, it is here, and it is here. And we bring them to left hand side, and all the number this to right hand side. So this is 10A plus 9A minus 12A. 10A and 9A were here only. 12A come this side negative, and this is minus 24 was here only. Minus 12 goes that side, plus 12, and 5 goes that side, minus 5. So we simply find value of it from here, right? So 10 plus 9, 19 minus 12, 7, right? So it is 7 here. Minus 24 plus 12, minus 12, and minus 5, minus 17. Okay? So this is minus 17. From here, 7 goes that side, so minus 70 over 7. Okay, so is this clear? Anyone having any doubt in this question? Yeah.
No, it's clear.
Clear? Fine. Okay. So this is how we do it, right? Now, if we do next type of question, I'll do some selected questions from here. Let's do this fifth question, right? Solve the equation. So yeah, as you can see, both the side, it's a multiplication of 2 bracket, and here also multiplication of 2 brackets. So we multiply them, right? So how do I multiply? First, 8x will get multiplied with this complete bracket, that is 6x plus 4. Then this minus 4 will get multiplied with this complete bracket, that is 6x plus 4. This side also same thing happen. 4x will get multiplied with this complete bracket. It's 4x times 12x minus 1. And same with 3 with this complete bracket, plus 3 times 12x minus 1. Okay. So once we do it, what do we get? 8 times 6. 48 x times x squared. Okay, so whenever we are multiplying, number gets multiplied with number, variable gets multiplied with variable. So there's one thing, right? 8 times 4, 8 4s are 32. then x only. So x, 4 times 6, 24, then x, right? 4 fours are 16. This side also, 4 times 12, 48, x square, right? 4x minus 1, minus 4x. 3 times 12, 36x, 12 3s are 36. And 3 times minus 1, minus 3. So actually now we are solving linear equation. Okay, so this second degree term will get cancelled anyway. Okay, so this thing will get cancelled. So now what I'll do, I'll bring all the terms containing x to the left hand side and number to the right hand side. Okay. Because that if you wish, you can simplify this side also. Okay, so let's simplify first. So it's 48x squared plus 32 minus 24, that is 8x, correct? Then minus 16, and this side I'm having 48x squared, 36 minus 4, 32, x minus 3. Okay. Now variable on left hand side, numbers on right hand side. 48x squared plus 8x minus 48x squared minus 32x, correct? And this side minus 3 was there, 16 goes that side, plus 16. This thing and this thing will be 0, right? And 8 minus 32 minus 24, correct? And x. And this side I went 16 minus 3, 13. So from here we get value of x. Correct? So x is 13 over minus 24, or minus 13 over 24. Right? Anyone have any doubt in this? Is this clear to all of you? Right? Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Clear? Good. Good.
Yes.
So fine. So this is how we can do it, right? Solve for x in each of the following equation. Again, if we can find value of x, so the answer would be in terms of m and n only. Okay. So here, because if I want to do this, so here basically it becomes mx is equal to mn plus nx. Again, same concept. Variable on one side and numbers on other side. Mx minus nx equal to mn. Right? If I take this form, then m minus n equal to mn, x is equal to mn over m minus n. So this is how we can do such questions, right? Where basically unknowns, right? Alphabets are used in place of numbers. This is the thing, right? Now, whenever any fraction is involved, okay. So I hope you will be knowing all this thing, right? How to add the fractions, right? When denominator are same or when denominators are different. Okay. When it's same, you simply add numerator. And it is different, you basically convert them into like fraction. That is, you make denominator same and then you add. Correct? That is one thing. And this kind of question, right? This D. What you do? It's simply 3 2 over 5 is nothing but 3 plus 2 over 5. Okay, so here you can simply write like this. And 2 7 over 5 is nothing but 2 plus 7 over 5. Then you simply add this to this 15, right? So 3 plus 2, 5. And you need to add 2 over 5 plus 7 over 15 only. Now this can be done easily, right? You want to add this, it's 5 plus, if I make it like, so I need to multiply with 3. So 2 into 3, I just multiply here 3 and here also 3. So this becomes 6 over 15 plus 7 over 15. That is 5 plus 13 over 15, right? That is nothing but 5 in 4, 13 over 15. So this is the answer. Okay. So you can solve such kind of question like this. You separate it and then you solve it, right? This is the thing. Right? Is this clear? Right. So I hope you can do all such questions. Okay. Whenever this kind of thing is involved, what you do? You convert division into multiplication. Say this is 9 3s are 27 plus 5. First you convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Right? 9 is at 27 plus 5 over 9 divided by 20 over 9. And there is nothing but 32 over 9 multiplied by 9 over 20. And then you cancel this and answer is 32 over 20. Or if you can simplify it, you can do it again. 32 over 20, cancel it by 4, right? 8 4s are 5 4s are. Right? That is how you can do it. Right? Okay, so this thing, yeah. Adding fraction, subtracting fraction, clear. And now we just check this algebra, this kind of questions. So whenever there is an equation involving fractions like this, right? Whenever there is an equation involving fraction. So what you do, you find the lowest common multiple or LCM of denominator. Okay. You multiply each term with LCM. You multiply each term with LCM. Okay. So here say LCM of 3 and 10 is 30. So multiply each term with 30. So you multiply this with 30. Right. So this becomes this 10 into x plus 1. You multiply this with 30. This becomes this. And 12 times 30 is this. So fraction is removed. Then you can solve the question easily. Okay. So whenever denominator, means equation has fraction, you multiply each term by LCM of denominator. Right? That fraction will be removed and you can solve it easily. Right? So if we do a few of the questions from this, let's do some exercise. Say let's do this E, right? This question. Okay. So as you can see, it's a fraction. Denominator is 2, 3, 4. What is LCM of 2, 3, 4? Anyone? What is LCM of 2, 3, 4? 12. 12. Correct. And 4 is 12. So you multiply each term with 12. Okay. So I multiply each term with 12. So 12 times 2x plus 2 over 2 plus 12 times 3x plus 6 over 3 plus 12 times 4x plus 16 over 4 is equal to minus 6 times 12. Okay, so each and every term has been multiplied with 12. And we can do this, right? We can multiply both the sides of equation with same number. Just that number has to be non-zero. Okay? We cannot multiply both the sides with 0. Otherwise, 0 will be equal to 0 becomes, right? So now this 2 will get cancelled. So we'll get 6. This 3 get cancelled. We get 4. This 4 get cancelled. 4 3s are 12. Right? And this we can anyway calculate. Fine. So this now we multiply inside. So 6 2s are 12x plus 12. This 4 3s are 12x plus 6 4s are 24. Right? 4 3s are 12x plus 16 into 3, 48. Right? And this is equal to 72 minus. Now, if we simplify this, x 12x 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 12 2s are 24. These are 36. So this is 36x. And if I add this 12 plus 24, 36, right? So plus 36 plus 48 equal to minus 72. So basically 36x is equal to 36 plus 48 if I add plus 4, 84 minus 72, right? So from here, I can easily find value of x, right? 36x is equal to minus 72 minus 84, which is 756, correct? So x is equal to minus of 156 over 36. So we can further simplify it, right? So suppose I cancel it with 4. So 9 fours are, if I 4 threes are 12, 3 and 6, 3 and 6, 4 nines are 36, right? And if I further cancel with 3, it's 30. It's minus 13 over 2. Clear this thing? Anyone having any doubt in this? Yeah. So this another type of question where fraction is involved. So whenever fraction is involved, multiply each term by
Yes.
LCM denominator. Yeah. Clear? Great. So next concept in this, we will be doing a few questions for in each concept, right? For question is, we will do more questions on same concept. Here, in this challenging problem also same thing, right? You multiply LCM is 11 into 7. That is 77. Okay, this thing you first simplify it. This thing you can write 35 over 2. Okay, so basically LCM become 7 2s are 14 into 11. Right? 14 times 11 will be 1 4. What is 1 plus 4? 5. So 154. You know this? How to multiply with 11? Yeah. I want to multiply 24 with 11. I write 2, 4. What is 2 plus 4? 6. That is 2 4 64. Correct? Same with 63 times 11. I simply write 6 and 3. 6 plus 3, 9. So 693. Okay. This is how we do it. Right. Okay. So LCM is 154. So simply multiply with 154 each time, and then you can do it, right? When decimal is involved, okay, say it's a 0.78, 1 over 25, 3 over 5, okay. So, either you convert, let me do this question, decimal question. Yeah. Okay. So, here decimal is known. What can you do? Either you convert all the number into decimal, or you convert all the number into fraction, right? It is easy to convert everyone into decimal, right? How? Because for this one decimal only 3 over 5 I can write. How can I convert 3 over 5 into decimal? I simply multiply numerator and denominator by 2. Denominator is 10, numerator is 6, so it is 0.6. Correct? And how can I convert 1 over 25 into decimal? Simply multiply numerator and denominator by 4. So this is 4, that is 0.04. Are you getting this? Right. So I've converted everyone into decimal. This is 0.78 minus 1 over 25 is 0.04 h equal to 3 over 5 is 0.6. I'm writing 0.60. Why? Because after the decimal point, there are 2 digits in all the numbers. Okay, so I'm doing the same thing. H minus 0.50. Are you getting it? Right? So there are 2 points after decimal point. So I multiply all the terms by, are you getting it? Multiply both sides by 100. So what will happen? Decimal will be removed. Are you getting it? Decimal will be removed. So it becomes 78 minus 4h equal to 60h minus 50. Now this question is very easy, right? So number on one side, so say 78 plus 50. Variable on the other side, 60h plus 4h. Okay. Now we can solve it. This side is 7 and 5, 12, right? And this is 64h. So h is equal to 128 over 64. 6 2s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 64 2s are 128, right? H is 2. This is the answer. Are you getting this? Right? So whenever decimal is involved, you can work out like this, right? Anyone having any doubts? Yeah. Anyone? Is it clear? Everyone? Right?
Yes, Mr.
Yeah. Okay, great. Next we have word problem. Okay, how to solve word problem? Obviously, whenever word problem is involved, we convert into mathematical equation and then we solve it. Right? So we can do this questions, right? So I want to do this question first. What does it say? Two complementary angles are drawn. So what are the complementary angles? Anyone? Complementary angles are angle, cos. What are the complementary angle?
They are angles.
Yeah, that sum is 90 degree.
Yeah,
Right,
with
right.
an angle of 90 degree.
Yeah, their sum is 90 degree, correct. So two complementary angles are drawn. Okay. So say one angle is x, other angle is 90 minus x. Are you getting it? So their sum x plus 90 minus x is nothing but 90 degree only. Are you getting this? So if one angle is x, another is 90 minus x. So let's say this two are angle, right? Okay. The two complementary angles are drawn such that so say one angle, let's say 90 minus x is 10 degree more. So it is 10 degree more. Then 7 times. 7 times the other angle is x. So are you getting this? This equation is this is the equation that 10 degree more then uh, the 7 times the other angle. Right? So this is how we can form the equation. Now we can convert, we can find value of x, right? 90 minus x is equal to 7x plus 10. All x goes that side, 7x plus x, and 10 goes that side, 90 minus 10. So from here I can find it x, right? So 8x equal to 80, or x is equal to 80 over 8, 10 degree. Okay. So this is how I have found the angle. So one angle is 10 degree, another angle is 90 minus 10 degree, that is 80 degree. So 10 degree and 80 degree. So these are our answer. So that's what they are asking. Find the measure of both the angles. Yeah, right. These are what it is. Now, this is how we do word problem, right? 3 times the sum of the digit and 45 added to it. You must find them. Second also we can do if you wish. This kind of questions are also very popular questions. So here what does this say? A certain number is 2 digit. So how can you write 2 digit? 2 digit number is like this, right? Suppose I have written 25. There is nothing but 2 times 10 plus 5. I can write like this. That 5 is unit digit or ones digit. Correct? 5 is ones digit and 2 is tens digit, right? Yeah, right. Okay. So what they are saying, certain number of 2 digit number is there, is 3 times the sum of the digit. Okay. If 45 is added to the digits, if 45 is added to it, the digits are reversed. Okay. Find the number. Okay. So let's say number is, we write it like, hello, yeah, any doubt? Anyone want to say anything? Anyone want to say anything? Okay. Let's the number is of the form x, y, right? Where y is 1's digit and x is say 10's digit. Right? So basically we can write this number as 10 times 10's digit plus unit digit. So this is the number 10x plus y, where x and y are single digit. Correct? So this I can write 2-digit number, right? This is digit number. Here I made an equation in 2 variable x and y and convert it into 1 variable later in later stage. So no need to worry. So what they are saying, a certain number of 2 digit, that is 10x plus y, is 3 times sum of its digits x plus y. That's they are saying, right? A 2-digit number is 3 times sum of the digits. So from here I get relation between x and y. Okay, so what do I get? 10x plus y equal to 3x plus 3y. X one side, y one side. So 10x minus 3x equal to 3y minus 1, or 7x is equal to 2y. Are you getting this? 7x is equal to 2y. Okay. Now, what they are saying, so I got really a relationship between x and y. Fine. If 45 is added to its digits, will be reverse. Means, if I add 45 to 10x plus y, what will happen? Digits get reverse. Means, unit digit become 10's digit, 10's digit become unit digit. So, if this become 10y plus x, are you getting this? Digits gets reversed if 45 is added to the number. From this, I get another relation between x and y. Say 10x plus y plus 45. X one side, y another side. So 10x minus x is equal to 10y minus y, correct? And 45 is here. So let's skip 45 here only. 10y minus y, correct? So what do I get? 9x plus 45 equal to 9y, or 9y minus 9x equal to 45, correct? I can take 9 common. So I'll get y minus x, 55 over 9, which is 5, correct? Y minus x is 5. Okay, fine. So I got 2 relations. One relation is 7x equal to 2y. Another relation is y minus x equal to 5. How can I get value of x and y? Anyone? How can we get value of x and y from this?
Can I answer?
Any questions?
Can I answer?
This, yeah, tell me. What do you say?
Can I answer?
Okay. So what I do, I can write y equal to 5 plus x and substitute into this, right? So 7x is equal to 2 times 5 plus x. Are you getting this? From here, I get x. The 7x is equal to 10 plus 2x, right? So 7x minus 2x, 10, 5x equal to 10, x is equal to 10 over 5 equal to 2, right? And y is equal to 5 plus x, y equal to 5 plus, that is 7. So I got the answer. What? X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 7. But the question was finding the number. And what was the number? 10x plus y. Number was 10x plus y. Okay. So number is 10x plus y. X. What is value of x? Value of x we have got is 2 and y is 7. So this is 2 and it is 7. Okay, so this is 20 plus 7 or 27. Okay, so 27 is answer to this question. Are you getting this? Correct. So since this was a challenging question and this in the heading of challenging question, the 2 variables were involved. So this thing is something which you will be studying frequently in 9th and 10th, basically. Okay, there's a two equation, and how do we solve it? Okay, so there's an introduction for you. This question is basically introduction for that, correct? How to solve two variable equation, right? Two equation in two variable. Are you getting this? Anyone having any doubt? Yes. Should I move ahead?
Yes, it's clear.
Okay, fine, great.
Yes.
Sure. So next we'll do this. So this word problem. So similarly, there will be many kind of word problem we can solve based on this logical. They have given flow chart. Okay, fine. So I'm not going to do all the word problem. Let's do some concepts. Now the concept of inequalities, right? And we will be discussing linear inequalities. The learning graph of linear inequality means what will be you be learning in inequality. So inequality you will be learning like this. First, you are learning linear inequality. In one variable, right? Which you have done in it, right? Then same thing, two variables. That basically will be graphing linear inequality, right? Graphing linear inequality. And after that, you will be learning in say quadratic inequality and so on also. Quadratic inequality. That is a modulus function, modulus inequality, right? All these things you will be studying, right? Obviously not in it, in higher standards. Then quadratic cubic inequality and so on. Okay, so this is all you are going to study. If you are, then you will be studying logarithm, then logarithmic inequality. And application of inequality is there in calculus, functions, right? Relation and functions chapters will be there in 9th and 10th. Functions. Then there's a calculus, trigonometry. There are many other chapters where you will be using concept of inequalities. Okay, so inequality is a very important concept. So let's start. So first of basic rules of inequality, right? Basic rule of inequality and this. If you add any number, the side of inequality, inequality remains same. Right? Say 5 is greater than 2. I know it, right? So if I add 3 both sides, inequality remains same. I subtract 3 both sides, my inequality remains same. If I multiply by 3 both sides, my inequality remains same. And I divide by 3 both sides, then also my inequality remains same. Are you getting it? So adding or subtracting any number, inequality sign does not change. Multiplying or dividing by any positive number, sign of inequality does not change. But suppose 10 is greater than say 4 given, and if I multiply by say negative number, say 10 times minus 2 and 4 times minus 2, it is minus 20 and minus 8. So which one is bigger now? Minus 8 is bigger. The sign of inequality changes. So whenever I am multiplying with negative number, sign of inequality changes. Similarly, whenever we are dividing by negative number, say 10 over minus 2, and 4 over minus 2. This become minus 5 and minus 2. So which one is bigger? Minus 2 is bigger. Yeah, this was the sign. Now this is the sign. So sign of inequality changes. So whenever you are multiplying or dividing a negative number, sign of inequality changes. Is this clear? Correct. So these are basic rules. There are many such more such rules. Okay, so which will be studied maybe in later part. This is the thing. Now, solving equation and solving inequation is almost same thing. Only thing you should keep in mind that whenever you are multiplying or dividing the negative number. And the thing which I said that is true for linear equation, right? Linear inequality. So solving linear inequality and solving linear equation is almost same thing. Only thing you need to consider this two rules whenever you are multiplying or dividing the negative number. Here, as you can see, if you want to solve this inequality, okay, so first 8 is subtracted both the sides. You can say that 8 goes that side. You can think both the way side. And you divide by minus 3 both the side. Minus 3 goes that side, same thing, right? So since you are dividing by minus 3, yes, sign of inequality changes. That's all. Just keep this thing in mind. Otherwise, it's fine, right? And so answer is x greater than minus 14 over 3, right? This is how it is. We'll do a few of the questions on for this. Okay. And for fraction, you use the same thing, right? The concept for equation, whatever we have used, same thing. You multiply all the term by LCM of denominator. Okay, same thing. Concept we use. So maybe we can do a few of the questions on this. So let's do this question. I want to solve this, right? So what does that say? 4y minus 6 is less than half of 28 minus 2y. Okay. So basically, I can distribute this 1 upon 2 inside this bracket, right? So 4y minus 6 less than 28 over 2 minus 2y over 2. No issue, right? So this becomes less than 14 minus y. Okay. Now, y on one side, number on other side. Yeah? So this minus y goes that side. 4y plus y. This 6 goes that side. 14 plus 6. So I have got 5y less than 14 plus 6, 20. 5 goes that side. So basically, I am dividing by 5, which is positive numbers. So sign of inequality does not change. So y less than 5. Okay. Now, they have given condition. What is the condition? I belongs to W. Means whole number. Y is whole number. So what are whole numbers? Whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So y is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4. Y can be any of this number. It cannot be 5 because sign of equality is not there. It's not like y less than equal to 5. If it is like this, then we include 5. Okay. But here we don't include 5. Are you getting this? Yeah. Anyone having any doubt in this?
No.
No? Yeah. So next we have so this we can do a few of the word problems. So let's do one word problem in this. Let's go. Right. Okay. So in inequality also we can use word problem. What does it say? That if 5 times a whole number, so there is a number, say number is x. 5 times whole number means 5x. So I've used this thing 5x. Okay. Increase by 3. So I'm increasing this 5x by 3. Now, is less than 13. So this is less than 13. Find the solution set. That's it. I just need to solve this inequality, right? So 5x less than 13 minus 3. 3 goes that side. 5x less than 10. So now 5 goes that side. So x less than 10 over 5 or x less than 2. So this is the answer, right? We need to write what find the solution set. The solution set is all such x where x is less than 2. Correct? So this is how we do it. Word problem. Simple question. A few of the challenging question, what does this say? Okay, whenever decimal is involved, as I told you, right? It's after decimal there are 2 points. After decimal there are 3 points, and after decimal there are 2 points. So you simply do it like this: 3.880, 1.335 t, 5.660. Now you simply multiply by 1000. So decimal gets removed, then you can solve it, right? Same thing here, right? Obviously, we can do part A, right? Here. If I want to solve it. So what do we do? First, distribute this 3 inside this bracket, right? So it becomes 3x plus 3 2s are 6 minus. Now, outside bracket, it's a negative sign, right? So when I open the bracket, sign becomes positive, minus 2x plus 7 is less than or equal to 5x minus 1 minus 2x minus 2 and 6 minus 12. 6 2s are 12, right? Okay. Now, if I simplify this side, 3x minus 2x is x, 6 plus 7, 13, right? This side. 5x minus 2x, 3x, and minus 13. Numbers on one side, variable other side, okay? What I can do, I can bring this 3x to this side. I can bring x to this side. Both are same thing, okay? I can do any of them. When our question is of inequality, what I do, basically I make variable positive. Okay, so chances of error are less, right? So I don't make, means I will shift x to that side, right? So sign is this only, 3x minus x. And 13 is already here. This 13 goes that side, so plus 13. This is 2x and this is 26. So x greater than or equal to 26 over 2, correct? So we get x that's greater than or equal to 40, right? So there's the solution set, right? I can write like x greater than or equal to 30, or solution set is all such x where x is greater than or equal to 30. I use this, or we can use this dot, anything can be used. Is this clear to you? Right? Yeah. Anyone having any doubt?
No.
Yeah. Okay. Next we have. There is inequality, right? Now, Cartesian coordinate system, right? Cartesian coordinate system. It's also a very important thing. Till the time you are studying maths, this Cartesian coordinate system will remain with you. This thing will be there only. So it's a system. No? It's a system means we set certain rules, right? Say it's like this. Basic rules of Cartesian coordinate system we can discuss here. say this is x-axis, this is y-axis, correct? This is origin. When I'm writing something like this. First number is x coordinate and second number is y coordinate. Okay, so this is x coordinate and this is y coordinate. So suppose on x-axis, what are the points on x-axis? This origin. So here I have 1, 2, 3, and so on. This side also, I have negative numbers -1, -2, -3, -4, and so on. And on x-axis, I have positive number 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And below x-axis, I have negative number, right? -1, -2, -3, -4, and so on. Right here, it is 0. If I want to locate or put one point, say 2, 3 on this Cartesian coordinate system. Okay. First one correspond to x coordinate. So x coordinate is this. So 2 is here. Then we have 3 that correspond to y coordinate. So that is here. So corresponding point is like this, right? This point. So this point is 2, 3. So this is how I represent any particular point. Say I give this name point P. Okay. Few observations that distance of P from x-axis. Can you say what is distance of P from x-axis? What will be distance? Anyone? What will be distance of this point P from x-axis? Anyone? Yeah. Will it be 2 or 3?
Mister, can you repeat the question?
My question is, what will be distance of this point P from x-axis?
The what?
But did you say 2 or 3? Distance of point P from x-axis will be this distance. 3. Correct? This
3.
is 3. Yeah, 3, correct. So distance of point P from y-axis. Okay. So distance of point 8 meter. So distance is 2 and 3 unit, right? So I can generalize this like this. Distance of any point from x-axis is equal to its y coordinate. Are you getting this? In this case, what was y coordinate? 3. And what is distance of P from x-axis? 3. Okay, we consider it as a positive, right? We take an absolute value of y coordinate. If it is -3 also, we consider 3 only. For example, here point Q is there, whose coordinate are 2 and this -3, right? So its distance from x-axis is 3 only. Even though coordinate is -3, I consider absolute value, right? So that is 3. So that is one thing. Similarly, distance of any point from y-axis is equal to its x coordinate. Are you getting this? Distance of any point from y-axis is its x coordinate and from x-axis is its y coordinate, right? So distance of this point P from y-axis is its x coordinate too. Are you getting this? There's some of the observations. These are some of the observations which are very helpful. Okay. So this is one thing, right? Now let's come back to this. So suppose we want to write coordinate of any particular point, right? So say point A is 1, 3, right? Here suppose I want to write coordinate of point E. So x coordinate is 5 and y coordinate is -3. So it's 5, -3. Right? Suppose I want point H, x coordinate is -1, y coordinate is -3. So it's -1, -3. So this is the system, right? With Cartesian coordinate system, this thing is known as first quadrant. This region is second quadrant. This region is third quadrant, and this region is fourth quadrant. Correct? Is that? We have named like this only. You cannot quite say, no, I will tell this first. No, that's not possible. That is a system. They have defined it. This has to be first. Okay, so this is this. Is first, second, third, and fourth. Points in first quadrant have that x coordinate positive and y coordinate also positive. Correct? All the points in second quadrant have x coordinate negative, y coordinate positive. As you can see, x coordinate here is negative, y coordinate here is positive. Points in third quadrant have x coordinate negative, y is also negative. X is negative, y is also negative. And all the points in fourth quadrant we have their x coordinate positive and y coordinate negative. So there is another observation, right? So third question is this only. Name the quadrant in which point lies. So when x is positive, y is positive first. X is negative, y is positive. Right? That is second. X is positive, y is negative. That is fourth. And x is negative, y is negative. That is 3. So we can write this. Is this clear to you? Yeah. Anyone? Any doubt in this?
No.
Yes. Okay. Next we have. Okay, so this Cartesian coordinate system. This thing. So as you can see, if this point P A comma B we want to locate, and this distance is A, and this distance is B. So distance of point P from x-axis is its y coordinate, and distance of point P from y-axis is its x coordinate A. Okay, they have mentioned here quadrant, right? First quadrant, second, third, and fourth quadrant. This thing we have already discussed, right? First quadrant, all the points have positive abscissa. What is abscissa? Abscissa is x coordinate, and what is ordinate? Ordinate is y coordinate. Okay, so this is abscissa, comma ordinate. Okay, it's like this, right? X coordinate and y coordinate. Okay. So there's another name of x coordinate and y coordinate. Okay. So maybe you can go. You have the question from this side. Say draw pair of coordinate axis and plot the points, right? Okay. So this thing can be done, right? Let me do one discussion. Right. Just I just take one graph paper. Let's take this. So now it will be easy. So what does that say? Represent this point. Okay, so I can take a and represent few of the points from this. Without this, few of the points. So point B, 4, 6, right? So x coordinate 4, y coordinate 6, right? So x 4, y 6. So this is 4, 6. Right? That's this point B. Then we have point E, -3, -2. So x coordinate -3, y coordinate -2. X is -3 here, y is -2 here. So this will be the point E, -3, -2. Correct. Then we have this h 2.5, 3. X coordinate 2.5. So between 2 and 3 would be 2.5. And y coordinate 3. 3 will be here. Right. So this is the point h 2.5, 3. Right. Distance of this point E from y-axis is 3 unit and from x-axis is 4 unit. Right. So just observation. Okay. Next we have C, 4, -3. So x coordinate 4, y coordinate -3. So this is C. Are you getting this? Right? Right? F, -5, 6. X coordinate -5, y coordinate 6. Right? So x -5 and y 6. So that will be here. So this 0.6 is -5, 6. And then we have -2, 4.5. -2 is here and 4.5 above x-axis. So that's it's here somewhere. This -2, 4.5. Okay, so this is how we can represent the points on Cartesian coordinate system. Right? Right. Next exercise they are saying based on given figure, right? Write the coordinate point. Okay, so we can write. We can do all this question, right? Which point is coordinate this? Which coordinate q is? Okay, one more thing we can discuss in this. That, what are the coordinates of this point? Sir, what is the coordinate of this point? So coordinate of this point is x coordinate 1 and y coordinate 0. What are coordinate of this point? X coordinate 4, y coordinate 0. The coordinate of this point, x coordinate -6, y coordinate 0. So all the points have their y coordinate equal to 0. Correct? Similarly, coordinate of this point, x coordinate 0, y coordinate 2. This point, x coordinate 0, y coordinate 4. This point, x coordinate -2, sorry, x coordinate 0, y coordinate -2. This x 0 and y -5. So all points on the y-axis have the x coordinate 0. What did I say? All the point on x-axis have their y coordinate 0, and all the point on y-axis have their x coordinate 0. Correct? So this is one of the observation. Okay. To which axis is DM parallel? What is DM? DM is this. So DM is parallel to x-axis, right? To which axis 80 is parallel? Where is 80? 80 is, this 80 is this, right? So 80 is also parallel to x-axis, right? So we can answer this type of questions, right? Yeah, you can do this, right? In which axis does the point 06 lie? 06 lie on y-axis, right? On the y-axis, all the x coordinates are 0. So x coordinate 0. So this lies on y-axis, correct? Which quadrant does -3, -6 lies? So -3, -6, x negative, y negative. Here, third quadrant. Right. Write the coordinate of point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis. That is origin. Right. Intersection of x-axis and y-axis is this point, origin. And its coordinates are 0, 0. X coordinate also 0. and y coordinate also 0. Since this point is on x-axis, its y coordinate is 0. Again, this point is on y-axis, so its x coordinate is also 0. Right? So both the coordinates are 0. Right? So this is the thing. Yeah. So anyone having any doubt so far in whatever we have discussed? Any doubt?
No.
Yeah. Okay. Now, coordinates and straight lines. Okay. Fine. So now we are interested in equation of lines. Okay, equation of line. Okay. So for that, first we understand or study some basic lines, right? Basic lines. Those equations we must know. Okay. So first, equations. Equation of x-axis. Can anyone tell me what is equation of x-axis? Can anyone tell what is equation of x-axis? Equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. Why y equal to 0? Because all the points on x-axis are such that whose y coordinate is 0. Now you take any point, its y coordinate is 0. So equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. Is it clear? Right? The equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. Equation of line. Equation of line parallel to x-axis. What will be its equation? Any line parallel to x-axis is y equal to not 0. Okay, it can be any number. Right? If say I draw there is x-axis, there is y-axis, and if I draw say this line, and this point is say 3, so its equation is y equal to 3. Are you getting this? Because all the points on this line will have their y coordinate equal to 3.
Mister,
Yeah. Clear?
I have a question.
Yeah, tell me, what's the question?
Equation of line parallel to x-axis. Can it be undefined?
No. Why should we undefine?
Because the number is unknown. It could be any number.
Yeah, it could be any number. So k is fixed, but it's once what value of k it is fixed. So it is y equal to 3 if it is passing through this line. If equation is passing through like this, it is no, right? When I fix it, it is no. This. So there's the graph paper, right? I draw this line, right? This is parallel to x-axis. What is coordinate of this point? X coordinate 1, y coordinate 2. What is coordinate of this point? X coordinate 3, y equal to 2. What is coordinate of this point? X coordinate minus 2, y equal to 2. This point, x minus 4, y equal to 2. So all the points have y coordinate 2. So equation of this line is y equal to 2. Are you getting this? I can make you visualize this thing also. Okay, let's visualize here. There are some graphical calculators which is available in the form of a mobile app also and in website also. Like Desmos is one of the things. If you want, say, write any equation it will graph it, right? So I do y equal to 2. As you can see, this line y equal to is parallel to x-axis. Are you getting this?
Yes.
Okay. Remove this grid line. Okay. So y equal to 2. If I draw, say y equal to 3, it's this again, y equal to 3. If I do y equal to 4, it is this y equal to 4. If I do y equal to 0, there is nothing but x-axis. Are you getting this? This is y equal to 0. Right? This is y equal to 4, y equal to 3, y equal to 2, and so on. Right? So y equal to any number, it is line parallel to x-axis. Clear? Right? The equation of line parallel to x-axis is y equal to k. Similarly, now can you tell me what will be the equation of say y-axis? What will be equation of y-axis? Equation of y-axis is x equal to 0, right? Because all the points on y-axis have their coordinate equal to 0. Okay, as we have discussed over here, right? All the points have x coordinate 0, right? So equation of y-axis is x equal to 0. And equation of line parallel to y-axis. Yes.
Y is equal to mx plus b.
Yeah, that's another thing. We come to it, right? We come to it, right? That's another thing. So equation like parallel to y-axis, parallel to y-axis is x equal to any number, say x equal to k. Are you getting equation like parallel to y, x equal to k? So for example, I want to, I say x is equal to 3. So there's the line. This line parallel to y-axis, right? If I say x equal to 4, this is the line. X equal to 5, this is the line. X equal to say minus 2, then there is a line passes through minus 2. It's parallel to y-axis. If I say x equal to k, so depending upon value of k, the different line will be there, right? If I just simply say, you have taken something else. Okay, now x equal to 1. Okay, as you can see, there's the line. That is our test. So equation of line parallel to y-axis, x equal to k. Equation of line parallel to x-axis, y equal.
No.
Hello. Yeah. Anyone want to say anything? Is it clear? Okay, great.
Yes.
Now another equation. Equation of y, equation of line, that is y equal to x. Okay, so what is y equal to x? Y equal to x is this line. There's also standard line, which we should know, right? Y equal to x. Basically, this angle would be 45 degrees. Correct? This angle is 45 degrees. This y equal to x. This is also standard line. Okay. So let's just again go back to the book and see what they are saying. The line x equal to 30 is horizontal. Is it true? X equal to 30. X equal to 30 is not horizontal. Why? Because it's equation of line parallel to y-axis. Suppose this 30, so this y-axis, x equal to 30 is this line. Right? So this is false. Right? Y equal to minus 24 is horizontal. Yeah, it is true. Y equal to minus 24. So this is y-axis. Minus 24 maybe somewhere around here. This line equal to y equal to minus 24, which is horizontal. So this is true. Correct. A line parallel to y-axis is vertical. So line parallel to y-axis is like this, and that is vertical too. Fine. Line parallel perpendicular to x-axis vertical. Yeah. X-axis is this, perpendicular to this is this. So obviously it's true also, right? Perpendicular to x-axis is vertical. Now identify equation representing vertical or horizontal line. Okay, so this is 2x plus 7 equal to 10 means 4x equal to 10 minus 7 or x equal to 3 over 2. So it is x equal to constant type of line is there. X equal to constant type of line will be this kind of line, right? Say this 3 over 2. So this line is parallel to y-axis or vertical line. So this is vertical line. Similarly, we can find it for, right? Right equation of x-axis we have already discussed, y equal to 0. Equation of y-axis we have already discussed, x equal to 0. Is this clear? Right? Now, we have already done that. Graph of equation of the form x equal to a, x equal to constant. Right? So it's y-axis is x equal to 0. This is x equal to a. This is x equal to minus a. Right? So there's a line parallel to y-axis. Correct? This thing we have already discussed. Like next concept is draw the graph of following straight line. Okay, we have done this thing, right? Graph of equation y equal to b. Also, we have done this, right? Standard line y equal to constant horizontal line. Right? Draw the graph of y equal to 4. This is the graph of y equal to 4. Right? Straight line. Right? Okay. Now, graph of the line of the form equal to mx. So, in the line y equal to mx, if you put x equal to 0, what will be value of y? Y equal to m times 0. Let me see. Means y equal to mx will always pass through the origin. Y equal to mx will always pass through the origin. Is it clear? Right? Fine. So line y equal to mx will always pass through the origin. Okay, so y equal to mx line will be of this form. It could be either this form or this form or anything, but it will pass through the origin. Right?
Mister,
Yes, tell me. Hello.
Mister,
Yes, tell me. I'm listening.
for example, we are given an example y is equal to 5x,
Yes.
and
So this
using
is,
the formula of equation of line, can we find the slope? Using the formula of equation of line, can we find the slope?
yes, slope we can find. So y
Can you
is
show me
equal
how,
to,
Mister?
yeah, let me just complete. Y equal to mx line. M is slope. M is slope. So then y equal to 5x, slope is 5. Are you getting this? Slope is 5. Simple. Y equal to 5x return, slope is 5. Y equal to 6x return, slope is 6. Are you getting this? And what is slope? Slope of the line that we have not discussed, right? Let's discuss that thing also. Slope of line is given by this formula. Change in a y coordinate divided by change in x coordinate, or difference in y coordinate, difference of y coordinate of 2 points over difference of x coordinate. There are different ways of writing this side. X coordinate, or you can say delta y over delta x, or sometimes people say it's y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And all these things are same, right? I take example, it will be clear. Say there are 2 points, right? Say 1, 2, another point is say 3, 4. Okay. So I want slope of line joining this 2 point, right? 1, 2 and 3, 4. So 1, 2 will be let's say I just erase this and let me do it here only. So 1 coordinate, x coordinate 1, y coordinate 2 here, x coordinate 3, y coordinate 4, this point. So there's a line. Say 1, 2, and this say 3, 4. So slope is difference in y coordinate, that is 4 minus 2, divided by difference in x coordinate, 3 minus 1. Difference in 4 minus 2, for x coordinate I do 3 minus 1 and not 1 minus 3. Okay, keep this in mind. If I take first this y coordinate, the first x coordinate should be 3. So this is equal to 2 over 4. 4 minus 2, 3 minus 1, right? 4 minus 2, 3 minus correct. So it's 2 over 2, or it is 1. So its slope is 1. Are you getting this? Its slope is 1. So this is how we find slope of the line. Correct? So this is the thing. Now, how much has been left? Just a minute. It's a slope thing is left. That's there. Okay, that we'll discuss again. Yeah, that's it. Right. So I think a small topic is left. So can we do this in next lecture? Hello. Yeah. Can we do this in next lecture? This remaining portion.
Yes.
Right. Okay. I think time is up. So we'll do this thing in next lecture, right? Anything else? Anyone having any doubt, or if you want to give me any suggestion in whatever how I have taught, any for any improvement or anything you want to say me? Yeah, that's fine with me. Yeah. Anyone want to say anything? Yeah. Anything?
No.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
No.
oh, okay. Means everything is fine, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Great. Thanks. Okay. So bye. Have a great day. Right? Hello. Okay. So bye. Okay. So
Bye. Bye.
yeah. So I will conclude the lecture here. Okay. A small portion is remaining. So maybe we can do that in next time, right? Okay. Sure. You can leave the lecture. Okay. So yeah. Thank you.